Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are discussing about the design, about the UX graphics or visuals. So this is a money making tutorial or video for the people that wants to earn money online. So as a designer, you can bring out your creative sides with the eye-catching visuals and graphics. There is not much of the limit to what a designer can illustrate. Design is an excellent skill to have if you want to be self-employed and work as a freelancer. You can change more money, you can charge more money when you have gathered enough skills and experiences. So generally speaking, a visual designer is all about visualization. On the other hand, a graphic designer can use typefaces, colors, images, and many more. So the graphic designer communicates information. In contrast, visual designers focuses more onto the products and brand identity aspects. Besides that, another distinguishing factor is money. Even with similar qualifications, the rate of visual designers is a bit higher than for graphic designer. So designers, user experience designer UX are focused on interactions, more especially designing of the interaction between the users and the site. On elements of the user interface, it includes things like the site navigation, design, and functionality, among other things. So even through this is relatively new, the pay range is pretty good. Besides the user experience, designers needed supposed to grow over the years due to the technological advances. This is why it is one of the most profitable skills to learn. So the which while excellent drawing skills come in a handy in design jobs, you need to know to be adapted at using software as well. Most designers have to be expert in Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesigner, Corel Draw, and so on. Also, you can learn from free software like Canva. Proficiency in these design softwares is essential for working both online and offline. Learn the basics on or brush up your skills with these graphic designs and UX design courses. These courses will help you sharpen your your design skills, and earn some big bucks. So the sixth is video filming and editing. So the having you noticed that literally so many people are vlogging everywhere. 500 hours worth of the video is being uploaded to YouTube every single minute worldwide. So after and thousands of the hours of the videos will be uploaded as you finish reading this blog. So this way very video filming editing is one of the most profitable skill to learn in 2023. So storytelling is a big thing in content creation, and videos are much better at storytelling than pictures. Hence so many people are making video contents. Have you thought about how content creators develop video ideas, plan, film, and edit them by themselves? Well, most of them do not do it by themselves to save time or for proficiency. So moreover, video content creation is a demanding job. For instance, scripting, script writing, scheduling, logistic, filming, and other activities. They need people to help them throughout the entire process. This is where you can help them out by sharing your expertise and earn money at the same time. So you can either go in video filming or video editing, or maybe both if you want, as they are a bit entailed. Either way, it is necessary to have enough knowledge and expertise in video filming and editing. So the number one is video filming. So the video filming is a part of the video production. Once you become an expert in video filming, you can branch out or specialize in filming specific types. Below the some instance of which area of the filming you can consider. So here are some categories. Here are some areas where you can start your filming. First is film and TV production. Second is television commercials. Third is web commercials. Fourth is corporate videos. Fifth is product videos. Sixth is marketing videos. Seventh is event job videos. And eighth is wedding videos. So aside from these, you have YouTube and other video hosting platforms. Besides, you can always make your own video content. So you can become a vlogger yourself if you are ambitious and confident enough. So the second is video editing. So video editing takes content creation to a new level. It is a part of the post product process in video creation. Video editing is also an excellent skill to have if you want to work as a freelancer. You could work on short-term products to make amazing content, to work in video filming and editing. You should learn about industry standards, about the standard softwares and other skills. For example, Adobe Premiere Pro CC, Adobe Photoshop CS3, secrets of the video creation, and gather as much skill and experience as possible, and create a contemporary portfolio. As an experienced video editor, you could earn up to 500 rupees per day. So the seven is project management. So the project management is one of the most profitable skills to learn, because the demand for the project managers is growing more compared to other jobs. The nature of the work is getting more complex every day, and by which requires projects work and projects management and other payable skills. And projects such as project management is a process of leading a team to achieve goals successfully within a specialized time. It works with three constraints, namely scope, time, and budget. Some project management steps include the initiation, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling our project flows. So every project needs a strategy leader with a particular set of skills for successful completion of the project. With the help of vastly available project management software, you can easily manage project tasks, collaborate, and meet goals within a time frame while managing resources and cost. Project management might just be the path for you if you have essential skills. Practice and improve your skills and enrich your resume with our project management courses. So these courses are carefully designed to prepare you if you are fantastic career in project management. So becoming certified in the project management will give you better job opportunities, including liquidity salary and increased efficiency with the global recognition. So now we'll discuss about eighth foreign language. So with the emergence of the globalization, international businesses in blooming, but sometimes there are communications barriers, because not everyone speaks English. You can speak English classes, learn English and translate for yourself. In fact, knowing English helps you to land jobs in the global markets. Fortunately, translators can help remove red barriers and make business transactions easier. With the expansion of the international businesses, the demand for the translators has also increased if you play your card right. So learning a new language might prove to be the most profitable skills to learn. So being a translator does not mean that you shall only have to be present and translate a conversation between two parties. It encompasses more than that, but the basic concept is similar. A translator primarily converts one language into another. It can be just a verbal translation or exclude written accepts as well. For example, proofreading, translating documents, editing, and so on. You can decide to work in more than one type of the content. In contrast, you can also specialize in a specific content type. The following are some areas that you can work in as a translator. So first is commercial, second is educational, third is scientific, fourth is literary, and fifth is the technical documents, and the seventh is legal. So the mastering language can open many doors for you. Some of the most useful and profitable languages to learn are Chinese, Italian, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, and Arabic. Many others. You can learn as many languages as you want. So the more you learn, the more competent you become. So the consequently increasing your chances to get your desired job positions. Here are the some resources to learn. They can be proficient in foreign languages. Learn Chinese as a foreign language. Complete language mastery: French, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese, and the German languages. Learn Italian as a foreign language. Learn foreign languages. Learn Spanish languages, and many things like this. So the nine is foreign currency exchange trading, that is also known as forex. So the trading is very comprehensive and competitive industry. As it first glance it might seems very complicated, but once you are able to grasp it, you will believe that it is the most profitable skill to learn. Do you see yourself